Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope all are fine and doing good. I had been to Kerala for my holidays and couldn't upload videos regularly. So I thought of starting with a detan facial. You can see my skin is tanned. All you need is tomato. There are so many benefits of tomato for skin. It is known for tan treatment and gives instant glow. It reduces open pores and blackheads. It corrects uneven skin tone and treats hyperpigmentation on regular usage. So I am taking the tomato and just cutting it and taking the pulp out. If you want, you can grind it and take puree. Since I have sensitive skin, I took it directly. Don't waste the rest of the tomato after taking out the pulp. We need it for scrubbing. So this is the pulp that I have collected. With half a teaspoon pulp, I am adding 2 teaspoons milk for cleanser. Milk is known as natural facial cleanser. It removes dirt and dead cells from skin. Applying the mixture all over the face, since it is running consistency, take time and apply it all over the face. Apply it to the neck also. Leaving it for a minute and then wiping it off with the facial wipes. Next we must prepare the scrub. For scrub I am adding half teaspoon sugar and a few drops of lemon to the tomato. I am adding half teaspoon honey also. Lemon contains vitamin C, an antioxidant that help reduce skin damage and premature aging. It also have the ability to naturally lighten the skin and reduce acne scars and age spots. Honey acts as a pore cleanser and also a gentle exfoliator. It fights acne and pimples and reduces wrinkles. So be gentle onto your skin. Apply the scrub in circular motions. Apply it to the neck also. Focus mainly on the nose and chin area, and I am done with the tomato. Taking a pinch of sugar to the lemon peel, I am just scrubbing the lips. It helps to remove the dark pigmentations. Now I am done with the scrub. Moving to steam. Take a towel and dip it in hot water and apply steam. Gently rub the towel onto your face. Focus on your open pores and nose. It helps to remove the dirt and dead skin cells. Now moving on to pack. I am adding half teaspoon multani mitti and half teaspoon sandal powder to the remaining pulp. Multani mitti is good for skin firming and sandalwood powder gives a natural glow and a soothing effect. I am adding a few drops of lemon and half teaspoon honey. Now the mixture is ready. Apply it evenly onto your face. Apply it to the neck also. Leave it to air dry. And once you wash your face, your facial is done. You can see an instant glow is come. But you should never leave your face like that. Take a lip balm and apply it to your lips. On face you can go for either a sheet mask or apply aloe vera gel. Take generous amount of aloe vera gel and apply it onto your face. Lightly giving a small massage. And that's it, over. Hope you all liked the video. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.